Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing how to get all the apps shortcut from Windows. If you lose a shortcut, find it easily. Method number 1. Right click on the empty area of your desktop to open the context menu. Hover over New and select shortcut from the sub menu. This will open the Create Shortcut wizard. In the location field, type Explorer shell apps folder and click Next and Finish. Now open the Explorer folder. See all the apps are available on here. Right click on the app and select Create Shortcut. For the context menu, a dialog box will appear asking if you want to place the shortcut on the desktop. Click Yes to confirm. Method number 2. That's very easy and effective way. Find Run from Start menu. Open Run dialog box. Type shell apps folder in the text field and press enter. This will open the All Apps folder in Windows Explorer. Find the app for which you want to create a shortcut. Right click on the app and select Create Shortcut from the context menu. A dialog box will appear asking if you want to place the shortcut on desktop. Click Yes to confirm. The shortcut for the app will be created on your desktop. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.